Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to do screen recording in Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to do screen recording on your Samsung phone, all you need to do is swipe down the control center to access the control panels. Expand the panels, then locate and click on screen recorder. Once you click on that, you'll see this pop. On the pop, come to record sound and shows mic and media or media and mic. Now if you want to show your touches, turn on show tap and touches. If you don't want to show it, toggle this off and then click on start recording. Then you'll see the countdown and your Samsung phone is going to start recording your screen. Now one good thing about Samsung phone while recording the screen is you can show your face using the front camera. You can pause and play, and you can also use pencil while recording. You can change the color of the pencil you are using. And once you are done, click on the pencil again. Once you are done recording, stop the recording. And you'll see recording save. If you go to your gallery, then you'll be able to find your recorded screen. Open it. Then you can now go ahead and play it. You see that? So that is basically how to do screen recording in Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.